Mastering consistency in furniture design with Leonardo AI. In the world of product design, achieving consistency is essential, especially when working with AI-generated images. While AI can produce amazing designs, they often lack the precise alignment with the designer's initial concept. Our focus is on using Leonardo AI to maintain the integrity of your original sketch, ensuring that the final design stays true to your vision. Let's get the ball rolling now. This tutorial is kinda intermediate level, so it's just for those who already know about the image guidance options, and we're going to stick with the edge to image guidance because, after testing the other choices, we believe it's the best for this task. It detects edges in any input image and will help us to generate our image. To test out the other option, there are loads of videos available online. Next, we'll import our sketch into Leonardo AI. Under Image Guidance, select Edge to Image and import the sketch. Set the strength between 1.30 and 1.35, change the fine-tuned model to Leonardo Kino XL with Alchemy activated in general, and ensure that the proportion is set to square. We're ready to generate. Next, we will move to Real-Time Canvas to refine our selected image. Import the image in Paint. Select the input strength near 0.50, choose Dynamic, then select the brush and pick the color close to the interested area. Apply the modifications. Once the new image is set, with the proper leather mix of black and white, as per the design intent, we go back to the Image Generations section. Select the retouched sofa and, for this task, apply the image to image guidance with a strength of 0.77. Generate the image. Next, copy the seed number from the generated image and paste it into the advanced settings, under Fixed Seed. This helps refine the rendering. Set the image to image strength to 0.44. Change the setting to photography, add a short prompt to enhance the space and generate the image again. To further enhance the rendering, we'll add an additional image guidance under Style Reference, Middle Strength. A previously generated catwalk inspired by the fashion of the 60s from which the sofa design is inspired. Set the image in Generate again, and this time, we get the final rendering. With these steps, we've successfully used Leonardo AI to create a consistent and refined sofa design that stays true to the original concept. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll explore advanced techniques and tools. This concludes our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on the next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced techniques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.